Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I believe we are all doing great. And if this is your first time on this channel, you are most welcome. Thanks for subscribing and liking my videos. It's your girl Miss Ruth. And in today's video, we are going to be frying plantain chips. These are my neatly washed plantains. I go ahead with the peeling of my plantains. And I'm going by the method of peeling which is more applicable and easier for me. But if this method is not for you, you can go with anyone which is more applicable to you. I'm just making sure my plantains are well peeled. So I'm done with the peeling of my plantains. I go ahead and prepare my salt water down. I'm using 1 teaspoon of salt. So I add some water and then give it a stir and put it aside. Now I'm scraping my plantains, and in my first method I am using the scraper. But if you have other things which will give you beautiful shapes, why not? You can go by them. And this is my second method. I am using the knife. And guys, I use only 2 plantains. You can use as many as you want, depending on the number of people you are frying for. And this is what I got from the one I scraped. Because I was scared of scraping up my fingers, I decided to go with the knife. I can't afford to throw it away. So we can say it is our intiswar. And I just go ahead and transfer my oil into my heated pan, which has been on fire for a very long time now. So my oil is ready to do the frying. And as you can see, I am dropping the plantains one after the other. That's because I don't want it sticking to each other. And guys, you really need patience to do this. And don't forget to keep the comments coming in the comment section. The comments are very important. So I go ahead and add my salt water to give my plantain chips some taste. Since it's still foaming, it's not yet ready. And here we go, our plantain chips are ready. They look very beautiful and crunchy. And I'm going to be repeating the same process till I'm done frying everything. Guys, if you stayed with me till now, thank you so much. I believe you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe. And until my next upload, stay blessed. Bye.